So guys, let's create a new project. Tap on top left button, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Suppose we like to add some birthday effect to our video. For that, go to overlay. Here we have multiple overlays with green background. Pinch out, fit to screen. Move forward a little bit so that we can see all the objects of our overlay. Now look for remove background, Chroma key. Now tap, hold, move the circle, release it over the green area or the color you want to remove. Adjust the intensity, then the shadow. Finally, if you are paid user, you can adjust the feather to soften the edge, and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.